Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable Hyper-V in Windows. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. You can do this by simply going on search, writing down CMD, and then you want to make sure that you right click on it and run it as administrator. Just make sure don't forget this, and then you're going to click yes. After that you will see this up here and just make sure that it's system32. Now after that you want to go ahead and type a command. I'm gonna leave it in the description for you to just go ahead and copy, but basically you're gonna write down bcdedit, then space / set again space hypervisor launch type, just like so, and then again space and off. And after that you're going to click enter and the Hyper-V will be turned off. So I don't want to do this, but basically that just click enter and that's it. If this video was helpful guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time. Bye.